Hi all, Hari this side. So today, as all of you know, October 1st, the markets were really trending. Markets were trending on the upside in a really good manner. However, I actually missed out majority of the move. So now the reason for the same is that I booked my profits very soon. Meaning I booked it like really early and I have missed out the major chunk of the move. So I just thought that I would speak a bit about partial profit booking or running your profits by trailing your stop loss. And we have also received a lot of requests for the same, asking for some sort of content regarding it. Now, I'll just tell you that partial profit booking is the method that you kind of use to book a part of your profits at your first target and then let the rest of your positions run, expecting the price to move further up. So let's say that you have a view that the price is going to continue trending in the same direction. Then you could definitely hold on to some of the positions once again after booking a part of your profits at the target one. So this is what we refer to as partial profit booking. Now I'll quickly show you how this is and I'll just explain it to you with an example. So let's say that you bought something at 101. So you buy something over here at 101, expecting the price to move up, and 102 is your target one. Okay, so 102 is your target one in this case. Let's take a scenario where you are purchasing, let's assume it to be 10 quantities. So you're purchasing 10 quantities at 101, expecting the price to move up to 102. And let's consider that your stop loss is somewhere at 100. So this is just a random example. Your stop loss is at 100. Now, the price has actually reached 102. What to do? So two things can be done. So one is either book all your profits over here, else you could kind of think about booking maybe 3 quantity or 4 quantity or maybe a 5 quantity over here, and you can bring up your stop loss to this point. So what is going to happen is, now if the price is going to fall down, so you'll still be able to lock in the profits that you have secured over here by booking 5 quantities at this particular price, and the rest of the positions you can take forward. Now what if the price actually goes to 104, or what if it goes to 103? So definitely it is going to be a more greater win for you. Okay, so this is what we refer to as partial profit booking, meaning if you still have a view that the price could actually move much more further up, then rather than booking your complete quantity at that particular position, you instead will book just a part of the quantities that you have bought at this particular position and at this particular level, and the rest of the quantity you look forward to sell off at a higher price, okay, or at a different level or at a different target level. And in the same process, you keep on trailing your stop loss. You'll actually bring your stop loss above your entry once your target is achieved. So that would be a good practice. Why? Because now if the price actually undergoes a fall also, you are capable of securing all the profits at the that you have actually got by booking it partially. Now, in the Indian markets, we should actually be using just the simple orders if you are looking forward to do partial profit booking. Why? Because if you are kind of using cover orders, okay, if you are actually using cover orders, you are setting a stop loss at the time of entry also, but when you are making an exit, all the positions that you have taken should be exited at the same time. Okay, so due to the very same reason, if you're looking forward to do partial profit booking, if you are somebody who finds you could have got many more opportunity if you did some sort of partial profit booking, think about using simple orders. So let's say initially I entered the trade using 100, using a limit order for 100 quantity. Now once my target one is reached, I could actually book 50 quantity using another limit order. Okay, another simple order I place, a limit order I place to book 50 quantity. Now once again at the next target, again maybe I can book 30 quantity, or after that maybe 20 quantity. So as and how you wish. So this could be done only with simple orders, and is kind of not possible with cover orders right now in the Indian markets. Okay, so partial profit booking, if you're looking forward to do the same, think about using simple orders. Thank you.